no bad government in Nigeria. Nigeria what? The only media that have been consistent speaking against the bad government and for the purpose for reformers. Nigeria what? Yo! No more bad government. Niger what? No more bad government. Niger what? No more bad government. The only media that have been speaking. No more bad government. The voice of the voiceless. No more bad government. No more bad government. Niger what? No more bad government. For the poor. No more bad government. Niger what? No more bad government. Niger what media? No more bad government. No more bad government. No more bad government. In Nigeria. No more bad government. No more bad government. No more bad government. The only media. No more bad government. The number one media in Nigeria. No more bad government. That have been speaking against government. No more bad government. Niger what? No more bad government. Niger what you? The voice of the voiceless. The voice of the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Niger what media? Voice for the voiceless. Niger watch media. The only media that have been speaking against bad government. Being consistency since 1944. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Umuwame. Voice for the voiceless. Umuwame. Voice for the voiceless. 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 Niger watch you. We have been seeing all you guys have been doing, and he recommending to everyone in Nigeria, saying that you guys are the number one. Niger what you.
Hello and welcome. My name is Magnus Orakan. This is Woto TV. You know, in previous video I made, I said it right here that by next year, rice will drastically come down. Rice will come down, spaghetti will come down, Indomie will come down. Not because these prices came down by the workings of the forces of demand and supply, but because they are going to target the poor masses. You know, poverty is the most potent psychology that the rich use to control the masses. Poverty. Because poverty has a way of affecting the mind. The fact that Nigeria is, enveloped in this untold hardship, it's deliberate. It's a control mechanism used to always control the poor. And how do they do it? This is how they do it. When they increase a commodity's price and it becomes unbearably unaffordable, they bring it down a bit. You suddenly lose sight from where the price increased from, and your focus is on the fact that it has reduced. Now, I saw a video on TikTok where they went to the market and they were asking them, how much is a bag of rice now? They said it's something. How much are you buying it before? They are giving you the price of 2023. They forgot that this admission came and made bag rice at the rate of 30,000 naira. And they said they are coming to renew your hope. Last time I checked, if you are renewing somebody's hope, if you are reducing somebody's hope, it means when you bought rice at 30,000 per bag, it comes down to 28 or 29 or 27. There's hope that things will come down. Because we knew we bought rice at 7,000 naira in Goodluck Jonathan's time. And one thing with Nigeria is such that now that we are crying that we are buying rice at 100,000 naira per bag, and we think this is the worst, because these politicians don't care about your suffering. You'll be shocked that this same rice we are crying that we are buying at 1,000. We'll get used to buying it at 1,000. Under admission will come and raise it to 150,000. Look, there's this country I saw where they roll money with wheelbarrow. The money is as useless that people who exchange money, they go to bed and leave the money in the shop, because that's how useless the money is. And that's where the Nigerian naira is going. This is the Nigerian naira that is superior to that of Ghana, superior to that of Cotonou, superior to our neighboring countries. Now, our naira is the weakest among all its neighboring countries. And yet, you still have people who will tell you that they're trying to point you to the success of Tinubu government because he's a Yoruba man. I'm telling you right now that when you see price of rice coming down, these Tinubu supporters, these fools that are scattered along internet will start telling you that, hey, Tinubu has made it. It's a lie. They have imported tons of bags of rice, and are going to label this rice Tinubu rice, Tinubu spaghetti, Tinubu noodles, Tinubu that. And then by the time you see flooding them in the market at cheap prices, you say the government is working. That is because they've armed your poverty. They've raised your poverty level to a certain point. Now, you know, you get to a place of hardship that any little reprieve, you begin to thank the person. It's like somebody crawling in the desert. He's very thirsty, his throat is very dry. The person who offers you a drop of water is a messiah. That's what they do to you. They deliberately arm you to be poor. Make sure you get used to the poverty, and then they give you reprieve, and you begin to thank them. You vote them to suffer another 4 years, preparing yourself to buy the same rice that they've brought down to 50,000. Next year, you buy it at 150,000 naira. So be wise. Be wise. This is not about hating. I'm not hating Tinubu because he's a Yoruba man. It's not about hating anybody based on his religion or his tribe. I don't care where the president comes from, but this man, this Tinubu, this Bala Blue, is the most terrible thing that has ever happened to the Nigerian polity. Let's stand and vote him out. My name is Magnus Oraka. Please follow this page and share this post now.
Oh yes, I just wake up. I woke up on the right side of the bed. I said, I carry my market coming soon. Now, you know, as everybody they go store. Yeah, now be my store. Wanna follow me buy my market? See what here they sell for you. You know, if you not buy, not go good for you, not go good for me. Now market will be so if it's sour, I go purge everybody. Sure you understand. So I bet tag your friends, tag blogs, tag everybody. Now this market will want send you all of this week. Yes, very correct. That's you are thinking is correct. My head's no correct. Don't get person when in Nigeria like this way, head correct. If you tell you say head correct, because he had no correct. And it's so full. And this is the market why they say if you buy this market, your life go better. Fuel go come down. Inflation go stop. The destinies and the future of your children will be guaranteed. If you buy this market, insecurity go drop. They're not go kidnap you, may go holiday. They not go do negotiation with bandits. They go the kids there for us. If you buy this market, hunger na bad story now. You know the siki. This one a very heady market. Oh, you born to kakaraka. They go see states in one day. Now so they go, they check everybody where give work. Everybody go sit up. Corruption they see and they run. You know they give shishi, not worry. If I want give shishi now for poor people. If you bet this my market, only jolly go for everywhere. I go lie for you. I don't feel lie for you before. I know they lie. People know. Buy my market. This one go belle full you and your asshole. Oh, Joro not there inside. I know say you buy this market before. Thief can't thief for your hand too. Yes, I heard the story. But this time around, you they buy this market with security. Me they give you boloko logo. Anybody will try to thief and when you don't buy and so you cut in hand. Obedience are you there? Help me tell them. I'm a die. Help me tell them. Make them buy my market. You know buy this market. Suffer not they tire you. Suffer never tire you. Oh yeah, see market. I say see market buy. This one are the best market for this market. Everybody they find make it come enter their store. No sell for anybody's store now because make them not go adulterate time. And we will not even get store hawkers association and we the hawker for head unadulterated original won't get product. So buy and be one with me finish. Anybody will tell you say this market no go tell and make us well good. Then they sell what they sell fake product. No say na the original PT. Say no. Oh yeah, you go back, you know go.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to every one of you, my people. Please acknowledge my voice. If you can hear me, just say yes, loud and clear. Put on the comment section. I really appreciate that so we can move on. I appreciate every one of you right there. Mother of all, Mommy Diaspora, good evening to you, Mommy. Thanks for all that you do. I appreciate you always. Abu Azim, my brother, I appreciate you. Thanks for all that you do. I appreciate every one of you right there. So many comments there. Okay, thank you very much for the acknowledgement. God bless you all. Thank you. I appreciate you, Kislogirahi, Debsy, Wisdom Lucky, Dixon Dagbon, Tony South. God bless you all. Omarigi, I can see you all. Tombra, thank you, my people. Ima, thank you. Thank you. Now God bless them, my people. Just press on the like, help us to share. Then we have Discussion Channel TV, Mother Peggy Monday, Christy CXL. Thank you, my wonderful people. I appreciate you all. Then we have more people right there. Radio Sagbovo Konga is with there. Rins TV is with us as well. Sesmo is right there. Same way there. Thank you very much. Good evening to every one of you. We need to move on now. But I appreciate every one of you right there. As soon as know, say, since yesterday evening, there is this rumor that I'll be flying that Olumide Akpata, the former Labour Party governorship candidate in Edo State, and the former NBA president have decamped, to APC. I did my findings. In fact, I started because I was very angry when I heard the news, but I started doing my findings. Since yesterday, I couldn't find a concrete certain information that can ascertain these rumors. As you know, Nigeria Watch, we can't just come out and pass information based on rumors. I don't do that in the history of my career. I don't do that. So a lot of people called me. I said, I don't hear, but I don't see, proper information from mainstream media, mainstream articles, and other prominent people that I have direct contact with. So for that, I cannot. I wanted to ask Olumide by myself, but I don't want to because, for example, I called him and he now said, yes, not true. Then I will not be able to lambast at him anymore. Because for me, I be the verse. Say, I dey con your scatter everywhere. So now make me not reach out to him directly. But still, till this evening before I came out, I could not verify that information. But I would like to say, shame on every media, because I saw some media that have names who published this information. It's very unfortunate to see that people rush to publish information when you have not verified the sanctity of the information. It's very, very unfortunate. Olumide Akpata don't come out now and say, no, not mind them. There's nothing like that at all. It's just a rumor to destroy his name and all that. If it happens in the future, it's not a problem. We can still address it. But people passing information that is not certain, you don't have the concrete information of it. You just want to be the first to talk about or break the news. It's very, very unfortunate. Ladies and gentlemen, Olumide Akpata denies joining APC. The former president of the Nigeria Bar Association, Olumide Akpata, has denied joining the APC ruling All Progressive Satanic Party. So I don't want to read more. He went on by saying people just want to tarnish his name and all that, blah, 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 that there's nothing, doesn't have any information or have any connection, affiliation, or anything with APC. So we don't know what the future holds. But for now, I'd like to let everybody know that not be true. Everybody who shared it, even some people even shared it on our own platform, Nigeria Watch. Somebody shared it, said not allegedly, it's fact. Just imagine that. I don't want to mention your name, but how could you? You said, after you shared that for Nigeria Watch platform, you said not allegedly, it's fact. Where did you get the fact from? We are too worried for this country. Now what? But nevertheless, I'd like us to move on. Olumide Akpata, is not part of the APC satanic bodies. But like I said, nobody knows what tomorrow holds. If it ever happen, this day where I go talk, and I will call many people out for this platform. But make fair happen first. As I say, never happen, we'll just leave it the way it is. But people, like God bless you. For Olumide Akpata, we jump out of that. I would like to come back to Gentle. What was his name again? Gentle's I don't know this guy like that. I don't know his name. That's his name. Okay, Gentle the Yahoo. Okay. The IPOP Biafra commander. Now they say B. I don't see this guy video several times where they put people, made them kneel down for ground, then they shoot gun for up. Some of the people will go kneel down for ground or can't get up. You know, you go come say you are my brother, I will not hurt you. So I never see video where they hurt people. When I not get me wrong. 2 video I don't say about this man. They say he's a violent person, but video where me don't see. Get out for your head now before some satanic people go change them. Only 2 video I don't say about this man. I don't know his name. I don't know him. He carry one elderly man in the down for road. The elderly man, he can't tell and say, he no go hot time and all that. The man can't get up or so. Can't tell and say, may he go, but they can't shoot, go up, po. And the elderly man or something like that have ID card on his neck. I don't even watch the video finish. I don't know what the man do. Man, not go talk with you. I don't know. Okay, now, if Nigeria government hold this guy, say, now terrorist, according to what they talk, say now terrorist, he don't buy people, he don't do this. Me, I don't know. If Nigeria government know, that's fine. If they hold him for this kind of things, that's fine. May they keep him. But my question to Nigeria government is this. Just less than 48 hours ago, even today, despite I reported it yesterday, today I reported it again. Satanic, proper, verified killer. Nigeria government had peace talk with them. Pardoned them. Proper, certified, verified killer, terrorist, rapist, murderers, anyone I want to call them. Government give them pardon. Now, if we arrest this man, what to be named Gentle the Yahoo, like I said, it's not my issue. Mona, you keep on there. But if you know you cannot holistically go after anybody that is creating chaos or causing problem in the country, then let him go. Because there's a biasness already. Now the Kano is languishing away. You are, for me, I talked about my broadcast yesterday and my pre-recorded video. I never see where now the Kano carry bunch of women, they rape all of them. I never see any video where now the Kano by himself they say make una kill all of them. I never see. But this man is in prison. Then today they say they catch this one allegedly. Then what happened to the one who na pardon yesterday? What happened? No, which kind of country be this one safe? Eh? Why are they selective in their pursuit? Gumi today, I reported Gumi today on my pre-recorded video. Gumi came out, warned a whole government. May they careful, may they not go trigger these terrorists, may they not vex again. If they want to talk to them, may they put respect. Allegedly. And Gumi is just walking freely. I asked some certain questions today on my pre-recorded video. I said, who is Gumi? Who is this Gumi of a thing that no government can question? Good Lord Jonathan could not question him. Buhari could not question him. Tinubu is not questioning him. Who is he? Who is Gumi? These are the questions I'm asking that we need to know. This country, we have a long way to go, my people. We really, really have a long way to go. I'm not here to protect anybody, you know, but at the end of the day, if you catch A and you arrest A, what happened to the other ones where you dey pardon? The proper one that are tormenting the country. For me, I never hear say this gentle Jack. I be waiting, gentle Yahoo, gentle the Yahoo. I never hear say go my those states. He go buy people for my state. I never hear say come Lagos. He can't buy people for Lagos. I never hear say go Bayelsa State, go buy people. I never hear say go any state in Kano, go buy people. If there is states there, if they agitate for a reason best known to him, if the government is against him, arrest him. But what happened? Why did you pardon the person where they torment the whole country? We have a long way to go. I'm telling you guys, we have a long way to go for this country, man. Nigeria is just something else. For those of you that were calling in, this is the best time for you to call in. I would like to take your call quickly, so we move on now. Panelists, if you want to join in, you have to come in now. If I can finish early today, I'll be very, very happy. I appreciate you all, my people. Thank you very much for your time. Help us to press on the like, help us to share, press on the dollar sign. If you can, encourage our work here. You know, make una they encourage us. I don't say when I say when I press on the dollar sign, some people at that time they invest fast. People with the super chat me, I know them. They are same people. I know their name. Anytime they super chat, I'm not too surprised because they have always been a blessing to my life. They have always been there. You know, when can I see new names? We go say, okay, make I click on that super chat. Make I bless this man. When? All of us say we want better Nigeria, better. I felt talk the other day. Okay, may I play this video? Because I talked yesterday, say, what we are doing, all of us advocating for a better Nigeria, not be all of us really want Nigeria to be better. Many of us are very satanic and Tinubu better pass many of us. I'm telling you, listen to this once again.
Nigeria, I can assure you that 75% of people that wake up and abuse Tinubu every day are wicked more than the same Tinubu they abuse every day. If you don't believe me, go to your office, leave your office for 1 week. If you don't believe me, go on the road, go and meet police. If you don't believe me, even some comrade where would they shout Tinubu must go, some of them, you put them in a position of trust, they betray you so fast. Some people, I will give them money for food bank to go and feed widows. I will think we are both looking to help people. I will say, go and help me feed widows. They will cut the money, they will chop the money. The Nigerians are naturally bad. So people say, oh, Nepal. If you try Nepal here, now looting spray, now you go suffer am. We cannot even do protest peacefully in Nigeria without them looting. Once we call protest, they come out like this, now looting. So I'm not going to join them, they do protest for this, because now to loot. Nepal no fit happen for Nigeria because the people that are fighting the government are more wicked than the government they are fighting. So how will you say Nepal? Nepal is their politicians that are wicked. Exactly. But in Nigeria, politicians are wicked. Followers are wicked. You don't understand. All the ministries, no be people they chop them dry. All our assets in Nigeria, no be people they do them. No be people they loot our gold in Zamfara. Is it government? No be people they kidnap. Tell me, no be governors and they send money to where supposed to do road. We go they do road where doesn't we pay in pockets than the road we pay the citizen. We are all equally bad. That's the problem with this country. All of us, 75% of Nigerians are naturally bad. No be them they bring fake drugs. No be them they give us fake alcohol. No be them then go put drugs for hospital then go steal them. No be them chop maamala. No be them be your tenants where their rents don't finish. They are in court using style to stay in your house. Why Nigeria is generally, but all of us are bad. No be them you go meet, and if we say let's hand them over to God. Even church, temple of God has turned to commercial place. Church has turned to a business center where Daddy Gio is using private jets and using FT bodyguards. And the people on the church are checking to come to church. Come on. We are all bad. The change starts from you. You be Tinubu. As you lay your bed, now so you go lie on it.
All right, you are saying Black Panther that we should stop saying that Nigerians are bad or whatever. And that, I beg my brother, go back to your room and eat patediami. Are you in Nigeria? They tell us that they assume. I live in Nigeria. Nigerians are wicked. Many of them are satanic. They are heartless. Just yesterday here, I go buy fuel for my car. The guy, I said, make you feel him. He said, I'm 95,000 naira. Then he told me that this thing is not working. What is it called? The ATM or the ATM that they call on POS. I don't know. He said it's not working. And I said, okay. He said I should do transfer. It's only transfer that we go. And the way he take talk, I know say this thing they work. I can say, okay, no problem. Make you bring account, make I do the transfer. He can't give me personal account. A personal account in a big petrol station. Now I tell him, I said, no, I will not make this payment. I started yelling. I started shouting. Then somebody else were coming. I said, okay. Pay for a company account. Pay for company account. You see, if everybody can yell like that, everybody's businesses will be protected. If my worker can't work for you, he's saying go come they do petty work for you for having not called direct to company, and you accept you are part of the problem we have in Nigeria. You then Nigeria, you know what they happen for here? Even though we have the best president today, say Peter Obi out there, most of the people will still remain satanic, in case you are not aware. What are you talking about? Same old they stop the talk, say the people. They are more satanic. Yes, we understand all the leaders that have ruled us, all of them are satanic, both past and present. But if you remove them, you put one of these people, they will be the same thing. I'm telling you, Okpebolo not be young person. They tell you say Okpebolo na old man. Satanic Edo State Governor Okpebolo, he not young. Dennis Idaos are not young. Obaseki not good, Obaseki not good. Then these people came in now. Yahoo government. What are they doing? Yahoo government now we currently have in Edo State. What are they doing? I'm telling you that the people that we have, they are more wicked than the people in power. Because you are craving. According to Fire say Isaac, what he just said, Nepal can never happen in Nigeria. Why? We are not united. We are very, very trickish. We have criminal mindsets. It will be difficult. We can easily betray ourselves. So what are you talking about? It's a big problem. The people are very wicked. He asked you just now, Black Panther, go and open company in Nigeria, maybe they Texas, maybe they from Texas, maybe the manager, then you understand this language. If you know so you never get company for Nigeria, then just go hide for inside your kitchen for now. Go eat pounded yam and egusi soup. They are more wicked. What of if it was someone like you yesterday, you will pay, you will transfer that 95,000 naira to his personal account, that attendant for petrol station. Then you go keep that one. The owner of the petrol station will suffer for it. It's crazy, man. It's really crazy the way people in Nigeria are treating everyone. Look at Donald. Tell me, mention one name that we can still trust as the front runners in Edo State. Mention one. I'm talking about the youth. Mention one. Say, amongst all, we can trust this one. All of them have been bought. They are silent. All of them have been bought. You'll see the one where they shout before. You say, this person they shout before. What's going to happen now? It does silence. You know they talk again because they don't give them a brown envelope, whether a red envelope. It's crazy. So I support what Isaac Farashe said 100% because I've said this so many times on this platform. That is why you see I'm supporting Peter Obi today. Why am I supporting Peter Obi? It doesn't have any line, any trace, any name, any bad name, criminal name, nothing to his name. Peter Obi is different from every other politicians in Nigeria. And yes, you where they listen to me, so you is satanic, so where they say a lie. Tell me, what you say Peter Obi don't do that is criminality. Tell me. Eh? You know they now so verse that the verse behind the keyboard. Tell me what you know say Peter Obi don't do. Well, you know say yes. You can hold him to it. You know they. As soon as hate him rich, una don't see one to hold him. May God punish you now. Una no one made this country better. Una your hate him for nothing. Una don't see anything to hold him. Eh? If I were you now, so I say, may God punish you. You'll say, amen. Make a talk again. Type amen. May God punish you. If you are part of the people where they fight Peter Obi, you say amen. See, you are not even proud of your identity. You are not even proud of your satanic career. Why can't you just say amen? Eh? Just write down. You say amen. Simple. Be proud of what you belong to. Be proud of your satanic garments. Just say amen, not be prayer. Eh? Una go hide.
I pray with
that. You say?
My brother, I said I pray with that.
Yes, now. Now pray, I pray for them. May they say amen, they are proud of themselves. Eh? Very useless people. There is a Nepal. Nepal can never happen in Nigeria because a lot of people we have are all satanic. They are all satanic. They are not ready yet. And they tell you now, more than not worry, by God's grace, may God keep all of us alive. I go still remind you now for 2027 how dormant Nigerian youth can be. Now, when they tell, say, no, that gets sense now. That gets sense now. Okay. Except they prove me wrong. Me, I not trust them. I not trust them. That's just it. Very useless set of people. Eh? Very useless set of people. All they do is to be inside, be in TikTok, saying rubbish. Eh? That's all they do. Very satanic set of people. They are even more satanic more than the government. If you tell them, oh, you have a lot of followers, why can't you talk about what is? I said I joined one last week. As they talk about another year team, I just switch. As I switch, you know, I switched by just saying the situation of the country. Where person they talk like now, they call. I cut down and still they call. I said 2027, what will you do? Because the hardship right now, he said, oh God, I beg. Hey, wait to concern government, not concern us. You know, you're concern us, I beg. This is our topic. I was like, wow. Eh? Some people will see they encourage them. No, don't blame the youth. They are scared. They're scared for their platform to speak truth to power. Who tell them they insult government? Must you insult government to speak truth to power? Now the black people say now they talk about it. They are more satanic. Not because they said I for say you yourself, you're also satanic, Black Panther. Because they can't this thing, I make people say, okay, man, I'll leave you there.
Mr. Elvis.
Yes,
see,
sir.
You get the way where you're supposed to put this thing. See, bad people there everywhere in the world. I just say Nigeria own this, they unique.
No, our own, we are too dormant, pa. No, you're encouraging.
But
we are cowards. They are cowards.
It's the government. You see, for me, if you want to apportion the blame, I will give the government 75%. I will give Nigeria 25%.
At least you give the 25. So that 25, they are satanic, you say.
It is it is the government, because you know why? The government can stop this lawlessness in one day with one law. You can, like you always say that they can put out a law. If you steal money, not buy, let them take 2-3 people to take.
But not be the people they put the government under pressure.
Now, but the government that didn't get the power to bring to.
Or the government will not do anything if you cannot put them under pressure.
That's why. See, anywhere in the world, I always give this example, my own personal experience. I've been in a traffic, not in one country. At least I can cite 2 countries, including where I live, where there was heavy traffic. I saw people start driving like say we did for Third Mainland Bridge in Nigeria. They can't bear it anymore.
You see now, and they talk about them. 3 of them, your corner can't strike my platform. 3 of them, 3 of them. Now. You see them, 3 of them, you come backstage. You the open camera, they show you yet. You don't know so don't pass that level. You don't know say if you don't get NIN, and you don't get VPN, you don't feel enter Nigeria watch again. You don't know. see them. The link where I put, they don't use that. They come, make God punish you. I said, you say amen for comment, so you can't come. You want to strike for this side. To say we there here for. Listen, Mr. Jonathan, joke apart. The people are the problem we have, because when anybody is doing anything bad and they are not questioned, they are not called to order, they will never stop because they are enjoying it. I'm telling you, they are enjoying it. Nobody's putting them under pressure. Then when you call people to put them under pressure, you are here every day with me. Black Panther is here every day with me. Many of you here, you are here every day with me. If many people are doing this, okay, Mr. Jonathan, tell me one platform you know. Be honest. One platform you know that you know is consistent like Nigeria was. As we play today, they say will be 250 million. I'll be 200 million. Which one platform you know, no mainstream media, that you know that comes out every day, speaking truth to power? Tell me one. I don't say 2 now. Just one. Maybe na me never see him. Maybe na they see him. But me never see. Maybe na they see. Mona mention just one. Whether it did. Everybody they use their platform, they talk about it, go generate them money or what. The thing is just about, I don't know what I want to call them, man. I'm not saying many people don't look for money, but at least the government are not feeling the pressure. They believe everybody is fine, so we should languish in it. I'd like us to start talking, my people. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much, my people. In case you want to call in, this is the best time for you to call in. You know, best you go, they give submission. Call go you off the disturb. I don't know say if I break like that, I don't know if you know what they talk again. Mr. Joseph Oji, thank you, sir. Good evening to you, sir. Please talk to us.
Hello, Mr. Elvis.
Yes, sir. Talk to us.
Hello, I agree.
Good
With you. I agree everybody, and I greet Momida as well. Thank you for all you do.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for everything. And first and foremost, you are the only one. This Nigeria World platform is the only one.
Thank you, sir.
I've been to damages, I've been to other one. I'm telling you this. All those ones are just mishmash. I'm not lying to you. That's all you do. The worst one, the one you do is Agbado Yoruba. It's the what's it called? One man. That one is even terrible. And sometimes I just wonder, what is that man doing there? What's she doing there? I don't understand. So apart from Madam Majara, others that I'm wondering, sometimes I just wonder, what are they still doing here? And what I want to bring to your notice is about Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know what the government is waiting for. Mr. Elvis, the way things are going about this man, Doctor, one day there's going to be one trial against. The next thing they will just rush this man, says he's held as deterrent. He can't cope anymore.
Yes.
They will say they're taking him from hospital.
That is my fear. That is my fear.
That is, before you know it, they say,
he don't die.
Sorry, we can't research. The man is gone. He's gone.
Yes, he's passed away.
The report I had, he was in court yesterday. The lawyer filed a case on the 1st of September that this man's health has deteriorated, and the doctor in Abuja there, the specialist consultant, who is especially involved with heart and surgeon, cardiologist, says he needs to conduct a proper test, not in the cases of his prison. He then just let there. That is why he can be escorted, bring him to my center. We have all the machines, we can test in public before we go because if it's not properly diagnosed, properly, we don't know what is causing why the gene is deteriorating day in, day out. Guess what? DSS say no, until the lawyer filed a case in court. Now they agreed to go to court. Guess what? The judge yesterday says, oh, I have too many cases in front of me. I don't know how I'm going to go about this. So it's like we cannot go ahead. I have to refer the case back to the CJ. How can you refer to the CJ? That means the case is going to the registrar's office. It's going to the registrar. And they are the ones that allocate cases. Only God knows when the registrar office will allocate, allow the CJ to hear this case. And when it gets to the CJ office, the CJ will still have to allocate again this case. This is something of emergency. It's health, this is got to do with health. Emergency case. And this man's health is deteriorating. I don't know, sometimes I wonder.
It's very unfortunate. Very sad. It's very sad.
We are seeing other people who are failing, killing people. You don't know that man, that terrorist holding guns. You know that they sack a whole village. They are sacking whole villages here and there, raping women, doing everything, many people, killing people here and there, and still they are negotiating with them. They are want to set free now. It's not just set free. They even give them money. Is this right? Allegedly. Is this right? And it's not the only one.
Now, wow.
I don't know where it is. So maybe the plan. You know, this when they hand over to each other, the same thing is happening here in England. Let me tell you, in 10 Downing streets, all countries have got their hard fires there. There's no amount of state government here in this country, in the UK here, that is going to make UK policy change towards Nigeria or any other country. It's all there. If tomorrow Islam leaves, somebody else comes, even if it's a Liberal Party or Conservative Party, it goes, once Nigeria case comes up, you can open that file in 10 Downing streets. As soon as he opens it, you know how he's going to approach the problem. They don't change. So whoever that must why did I hand over to Tinubu? I'm telling you, maybe there is a dossier there that he has handed over. I don't know what is stealing Tinubu. It's not an advantage if you release Nnamdi Kanu. You want to tell me to do tomorrow Tinubu release Nnamdi Kanu? This will be soften Igbos. Even a lot of people will start tilting towards him. At least he has done something for them. I don't know. I don't understand.
All right. It's very sad.
Unless maybe the powers that be in the south, in the east, these governors, maybe they will be. It's like his release will threaten their stay in the east. I don't understand why. The man still take him to hospital. It's not as if they tell him set him free. Let him get treatment. All over the world, prisoners who are ill, they take them to hospital. You keep an escort there by the bed. In the world, there people to be looking at that. Let him get that treatment. This is basic human right.
All right. Wow. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Joseph Oji. I understand your plight. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let me take this call. Thank you very much, Madam Origin. Good evening to you, ma'am. Please talk to us. And Origin, are you there? Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to you. Please talk to us.
I didn't hear. I don't go anywhere. Bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please talk to us.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. You know where my heartbeat is. You know where my passion is. I greet everybody, Mommy Diaspora. I greet you, ma'am. I greet all the panelists and all the wonderful people that come here every day because of one concern or the other. My passion has been on the youth of Nigeria, whatever you call it, and everything else that is going on there. I don't have much to say about politicians. That's why I hardly come out anymore, because I don't want to sound how I don't want to sound. Today, what brought me to talk is because I know your platform, you can help me tag Tanko Eunice and Aisha Yusuf, because both of them can reach out to um, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi. This is for him. I have nothing against him. All of us were here, fighting with him for the youth of Nigeria. That's why every day I came out was for the people. I still stand for the people. So this message is for him. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, there is a lamentation that he has, in case he has not heard, that he has multiple organ damage that included his heart, his kidney, his pancreas, his liver, and also there is lymph nodes. All I'm telling him and every politician in Southeast, the so-called dogs, is that if anything happens to Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, if he dies in this inhumane condition that he has been subjected to by the politicians, I am telling him, and then he can relate to the others, because I don't know how to get to the other ones, that little dot is going to be too small to accommodate all of us. So they should go. I think Edo loves Peter Gregory so much. He can start to look for citizenship there. And the rest of them should start looking for citizenship outside that dot. Now, I come here for the youth, for the people that are on the receiving end. Number two thing I want to tell him is, if he is a dangling carrot in the face of the youth of that place, if he does not have answer to the insecurity he told us, what I had him say, on his own, corruption. Because what I'm seeing is, through research, is that the insecurity is so tied to the politicians that they are like CMS twins. So if he is going to make all those politicians stop the kidnapping and the buying of indigenous people and safeguard, he should go. But if he is a dangling carrot, from what we saw in 2022, 2023, he should let these youths take their destiny in their hand and see what they can do for themselves. Mr. Niger Watch, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think I'm going to rest it there. I don't like talking too much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Madam Origin. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. It's unfortunate. Now here we find ourselves. They want that guy, that man rather, to just die in prison. It's very, they'll constantly not be the by him. Say he was sick. Very, very sad. Madam Deborah, please talk to us, man. Good evening to you.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Elvis. Good evening to everyone listening. Let me just make a quick contribution to the broadcast. Let me first of all start by responding to the video you showed. You see, the problem with Nigerian law is that I think they go for who they feel that if they catch or if they take action on you, nothing is going to happen. But you see, when they know that you are the type that if they deal with you, they are afraid of you, they will not come after you. It's obvious that we have a system of government in a place that is unfair to some people, and then is afraid of some part of the country. You see, they are negotiating with terrorists. But when it's somebody from the southeast or from the south or from any other part of the country, they are quick to take action. But when it's somebody from a certain part of the country, they pretend as if they don't know what is going on because they are afraid. It's all about fear. They are afraid of the northerners. They are afraid of this Fulani terrorists. So they negotiate with them. They give them what they want. They turn blind eyes on what they are doing. But if anybody make a move from any part of the country, that's when, because they know that they can get away with those ones. Look at Nnamdi Kanu now. Since they kept it there, nothing has happened. And this is because our own people too, even the people from the southeast have not done enough. Apart from maybe a few people that are talking about him, everywhere is quiet.
Everywhere is quiet. You are right.
Nnamdi Kanu is from the north. If Nnamdi Kanu is from the north, the federal government will there. I'm telling you, the federal government will not treat him the way that they are treating Nnamdi Kanu now. Because the northerners will not allow that to happen. But this is happening because our own people too don't care. Like you rightly say, if you go to social media, most of the people in social media are not northerners now. They are our people from the southeast, from the south,
Exactly.
from the southwest. They are the people on social media that don't even care about what is going on in the country.
Exactly.
So it's just a thing that you see, if the government know that when they do something, people are not going to react. Of course, they are going to keep doing it. There's a parable. They say now who you go beat, now if they carry fight go meet. You will not go and fight somebody that you know is going to beat you. So they know that our people in the south, in the southeast, south, everybody is pursuing money and TikTok and social media and anything that the government does, nobody is going to talk about it. Of course, they know, but they know that the northerners are ready to die for what they want. So that's why the federal government is afraid of them. Okay, imagine the case of that Adike, that woman that made that comment. They only talk about it 1 or 2 days, and now everywhere is quiet. There's no any consequences. There's no any accountability. The woman is still having her job intact after insulting an entire region, entire tribe of millions of people. She got away with it. They only talk about it for 2 days, and now everybody has moved on. The woman is still having her job. There's no accountability, nothing. No, nobody is even talking about it again. So you see what is you see the problem. You are talking about Sheikh Gumi. How many people have called the Nigerian government, have really put pressure on the Nigerian government that okay, this man should be held accountable? No. How many people are even talking about it? Not a lot, because they don't care. They are not interested. So I don't know, but like you rightly said, the people deserve the government that they get. By the time if you don't show interest in something, or you yourself you don't show that something matters to you, nobody is going to care. Nobody is going to care. We see people all over the world holding their government accountable, holding their government accountable for the things that they want the government to do. But the reverse is the case in Nigeria. Nobody is holding the government accountable. Whatever the government do, they get away with it. If they talk about it one day, the next day people will move on. It's like nothing happened. So maybe this is how we are just going to continue. Because as it is, me, I've not seen anything that is going to change. The only thing I'm hoping that might change something is if the northerners refuse to support Tinubu, maybe they will be the ones to use their own force to be able to remove him. And the question is, if they remove him, what are they going to replace him with? That's another question. Anyway, thank you so much, Mr. Elvis. Thank you
Thank
for your
you.
good work.
Thank you, man. Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
thank
Mother
you,
Deborah.
sir.
Thank you, man. Okay. I have another caller quickly, guys. Just bear with us. Okay, Mr. Joseph Oji, you are calling back quickly, sir. Just 1 minute. Mr. Joseph Oji.
Sorry, I just want to conclude, please. Sorry about that, please. Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Mr. Joseph, we can't hear you, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, you have only 1 minute. Go straight to the point, please.
Oh, just a quick one. Please, I just want to conclude. Regarding the last caller, the lady who just called now, and all that has been happening. Mr. Elvis, what do you think? You want to tell me we the Igbos, we are not a conquered nation, conquered people in Nigeria? What do you call it? What do you call this? We are totally conquered. To me, that's where I see it. Look at that statement. What the woman just said now. I remember what that lady said. You had that, can you imagine? Can anybody here in UK call anybody monkey? You dare not. Can you call anybody monkey? This is not the police will not. There's no go come. Immediately they will handcuff you straight. You're going straight to the police station. As long as they have a witness who said yes, they had you calling. Even I'm telling you, even in the train station, I've witnessed it. You call somebody, you call the black man monkey. You are finished. You are going straight. They don't need anything. The police here, you will take it. It's a state. This is state. The state will take the case upon themselves. And here we are. We have a whole somebody of a prominent person. It's like calling the whole. Can you imagine? General calling the Igbos. He was condoning it with laughter. It's a total shame. It's high time, Mr. LBC. If anyone here come and cause you, blast them. Tell them that they are a conquered nation, conquered people. I'm telling you, let them be challenged. So if they want to fight back, let them fight back. It's high time, this is how I see it.
You know, because you are an able man, you can say it, no wahala. If me talk it will become something else now. I can't say that.
No, on a serious note, what else? Okay, all this time around we have been talking. If there's anybody, look at this situation. Look at the poor man, this man situation. Now who carry the matter for him? 2022. Is it not the young people? And your platform here. Is that right? Private parks, everybody's clean up. All of them are clean up. All of them are clean up here and there. Meanwhile, I feel that on a serious note, I'm going to say this. I won't say it. I'm personally emailed these people. All these people want I see all of them. So when is this your principal going to come to like that word? That's what Mr. Peter. One of this, I even told them how you took Mr. Peter big issue on your head. The way you took this thing from 2022 till date. I'm telling you. Before you know it now, you end up in parallel parks. Or whatever, I don't know whatever it is called. It's not fair.
He have been to Peter Obi have been to all platforms, including platforms that have never supported him. The platform that stayed at the fence, he have been to all of them. It's only here he refused to come.
Every time I hear you talk about this thing, look at the way you normally handle it. Different.
Me, I just want a better Nigeria, to be honest.
You're a man. I'm telling you, I'm not lying to you. I'm telling you. All this time I've been thinking, well, how am I going to fault this man? I can't fault you. I cannot fault you at all. I'm not lying to you. You have really
Thank you, sir.
Impressed me. I'm telling you. It's such a shame.
Thank you, sir.
When I say it to you, I say, what's wrong with this man? I don't know. What is it that they will do to an Igbo and Igbos will rally around? What is going to unite Igbo and then you rally around and then
Thank you.
say no?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
God bless you, sir.
All right. Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah. All right. Sometimes when you see people speaking for you like this, it's a good thing, But I'd like us to move on. Let's talk. I appreciate every one of you, my people. Thank you, Madam Peggy Modi. Thanks for the super chat. Thank you, Abdul. Thanks for the super chat. Osen Gilmede, thanks for the super chat. I'm very, very grateful. And thanks for the text attached to it as well. I'm grateful, my people. Guys, you can do the same by pressing on the like. Help us to share. Press on the $ if you can. Somebody asked for Nigeria account. We never post down for the past 78 years. Make I post down today. Since I did Nigeria, I don't know. Since you ask, make I don't where is this if okay, it's here. There you go. So if you want to support us on Nigeria account number, it's just right there. God bless you all as you always been there. Okay, let's start talking. The first person on the panel is Mama H.O. Mama H.O., it's good to have you on the show. Good evening to you, ma. Please talk to us.
Not to better.
Thank you, ma.
Greeting, beloved Elvis. Greeting, mommy that's carrying me. And my children on her back. She's not falling. Now my children will not fall. Greeting to all the panelists. Greeting to the listener, to the commenter, and those who will listen later. I want to start with Mr. Peter Obi and Showore. I'm not going to put other in this category because they are not qualified to be in the category. Mr. Peter Obi and Showore, you people promise you are going to give to my children good governance. You then vote tonight into power. You people say you hate injustice. And if that is the truth, two of una, I mean two of una, you go lead protest, so make una release Nnamdi Kanu for me. Because the so-called terrorists, when they signed peace deal with few days ago, neither organized bye for is it Niger where it happened? Which one of the North states now it happened? So Mr. Greg Peter Obi, you go lead protest, make you release Nnamdi Kanu. You dey hear me? I don't care whether your supporters and those when they feel say na they carry Obi them for head pass. I don't care whether they want type and anyone when he type nonsense for here, now Google kill you. Yes. Because for your crow eye, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, for your very crow eye. The person when he terrorized the North, sleep with plenty women, molest plenty women, drive them come up from their villages, bye, they do plenty mass burial. They give them peace deal. And if you come for that peace deal with weapon and arrogancy, and yet, una keep quiet. Una keep quiet. I don't want your tweet, oh, Mr. Peter Obi. I am not looking for your tweet on this matter. Showore, I am not looking for your tweet on this matter. Make una go release her. If una dey look for presidency vote from my children, make una go release Nnamdi Kanu. To even talk that he has health condition. and I won't keep quiet over her. You no go walk. You no go walk, oh, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi Showore. Because now I promise I won't give my children good government. So if this useless, idiotic person, when he buy people for not, they feel dress her with rope to congratulate her. Because now congratulations, they congratulate her. To give her peace deal. And at the end of the day, he still go buy people. Then, Nnamdi Kanu, even they carry sick, they enter court. So, Mr. Peter Obi, if you want to tell me, say, because if I talk now, they go say, I be Igbo man. Talk! If I protest now, they go say, because I be Igbo. Protest! Except you are a coward. Yes, I go talk am today. Because somebody when do this dangerous thing, now they give peace. Go and release him for medical treatment. If not, if anything happen to her, Peter Obi and Showore, the level go change for 12 now. Yes. Because now promise my children good governor and waiting. Now make I call 12 now for this matter. Atiku, Amechi, El-Rufai. You see the killing when they happen for North? Now go stop. Yes. Because now people when they kill for North, now they come over to the South. So if you now want, not because join ADC now be the matter. Because if you people can't stop this, there is no guarantee. Say the ADC one that they gather together, not be to do the worst. Yes. Because I know very well. If Gregory Peter Obi not give an, if I even give a ticket self, and he not give do una beating, una go phone cabal for his neck. Una go use these same people to terrorize Nigeria. So Atiku, El-Rufai, Amechi, Oya, Alele, left, right, make una march to the House of Senate, make una march to the House of Rep, make una march to presidency to stop the killing in Nigeria. Enough is enough. It's not for me ADC that will solve it. If you really want to prove to Nigeria, say yes, your ADC will solve the problem. Then first of all, make we leave the economy and poverty for one corner. When una come and solve that one. But insecurity, make una do alele to House of Rep, to House of Assembly, to House of Rep, to House of Senate, and to Aso Rock. Go and stop the insecurity. If not, make una carry una kaya with una useless ADC. Make una enter corner. Make una enter corner. Nonsense and wicked and idiotic people. When they parade themselves up and down, say they get anything to give to my children. Chief Tinubu, the head of the terrorist organization in Nigeria. Oh, I not be friend of Gentilo. I not be friend. Because he work for Samuel Ekpa. And I know they have work when they cause. But there's nothing to celebrate with Gentle. If you will not apportion the same thing to the idiotic, what I call his name, one I say when I give peace G. There's nothing to celebrate. If you will not apply the same thing to Gumi, the negotiator of the terrorists and bandits. If you cannot do it, you are nothing but a coward president. Not only criminal you be, You be coward. And also, you be the head of the terrorist organization. And all this nonsense, all of una go do, una go pay dearly, including your wives and your children. Mark my word. Thank you, and God bless us.
Mama Esho, thank you very much, ma. I appreciate you. Thanks for that submission. As usual, God bless you. Mr. Jonathan, it's good to have you on the show. Please, I would like you to talk to us. Good evening to you, sir. Mr. Jonathan, you are not there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, sir. Please talk to us.
I'm here, Mr. Elvis. I greet you.
Thank
Thank you very much.
you.
God bless you greatly. I greet you. And I greet my fellow panelists as well. God bless you all. Mommy Diaspora, once again, you're welcome. God bless you abundantly and all my fellow commenters and callers. I greet you all. God bless you all greatly. You're all welcome. I would like to join my voice with Mama Echo for the fact that what she said is in line with equity and justice. So there's no way I can keep quiet. I would like to join my voice with her. The fact that we just talked this earlier, on this broadcast about Nigerians being wicked, that Nigerians generally, are bad people. This is a testament. This is a test, what you will call the acid test, to prove that, to show or to prove otherwise, that Nigerians indeed are not really, really bad people. Because it seems as if it's only when anything that is for Nigerians, anything that will benefit them, they will do it with everything that is in them, and you will think they are good. But when you look at it deeply, take away all the noise, take away all the interferences, take away all the personal influence, you will see that this thing is about them. It's about the person. It's not about the people. But in many cases where we are taken away by the voices, and the loudness of those voices. And this is one situation that I want us to calm down. Just calm down. Take away the noises. Take away all the interferences. Just focus on the issue. Let's focus on what we call the equity and justice and fairness to all. Nigerians only apply it when it suits them. I will use one case study, just one, that is still fresh. I believe so. Still fresh in all of our memories. And that is the Kwamwan, the Wasiu Ayinde, the Kwamwan event that occurred some few weeks ago with the other lady, the other passenger of Ibom here. You see what happened. Because there was no rule of law, what did Nigeria do? Equalization. Because since they find a way to kind of vindicate or set Kwamwan free. Fortunately or unfortunately, whichever way you want to put it, the other event happened a couple of days after that. And they have no choice because people spoke out. So they have to equalize. Since this is the way Nigeria want to handle the rule of law, and in fact, if this is the way they want to do their own rule of law, so be it. So be it. If you can free all these criminals, people that are responsible for the destruction of lives in Nigeria, people that you can count thousands, and I mean thousands, you won't go. I promise you, if you have time, you are not going to spend 1 hour plus before you will associate over 1,000 people that are back to this man that they just set free. You won't spend 1 hour. If you spend more than 1 hour, come after me. Just Google his name. Look at the event that happened as a result of this man. Put that one aside. Look at the total number of Nigerians that are now displaced because of the activities or the criminality, the terrorist act of this man. That they are in fact, not kind of, they are brazenly, openly celebrating him. They set him free. And put that side by side with Nnamdi Kanu. Having laid this foundation, I want to say, if it is not for your own selfish reason, the likes of Mr. Peter Obi, and yes, Showore, and some others as well, if it is not for your own selfish reason, this is the time. This is the time that you must all come out and ask for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerians did their part when the Kwam 1 event occurred about a month or barely 2 months ago. Nigerians did their part. They cried out. The Nigerian government listened. If not, that girl will be rotting, will be in jail right now, rotting away. That lady will be rotting away in jail now. Nobody will hear about her. Her life will have ended there. Literally. Nigeria did their part. And I think this is the time. And I think this for whatever reason, fortunately, this just comes out the same day when we're talking about this issue of Nigerians are generally bad people. They only talk when it affects them, when their own personal interest is involved. So the likes of Mr. Peter Obi, this is the time that it is, if you want to prove to Nigeria that it is not about you, that you are not desperate to be president of Nigeria, that becoming because for me, I will equate it to, and I will equate it, and I will shout, my voice will be so loud. I will equate it. I will equate it. That means I will put it on the same scale. I will balance it, that you are there for your own personal reason. If you cannot shout out now, what is happening, what we're seeing in the north, the insecurity, the way they are dealing with it, this thing, there's nothing like insecurity. It is just self-inflicted. Some people are benefiting from it and they want it to continue. They are not ready to let go. And this insecurity is going nowhere. You must be dumb. You must be a moron. I don't know what to call you if you think the insecurity will go away in Nigeria. Just yesterday here, we're talking about them. And what is always their reason for pandering with these people? It is always, they will say, for peace. In fact, they target peace accord. But what are we seeing? Things are getting worse. The insecurity situation is getting worse and worse and worse by the day. And they have the audacity, the temerity to be pandering, to be releasing a criminal, a terrorist. I don't have any other word. I don't know where bandit, how the word bandit found its way into the insecurity issue we have in Nigeria today. I don't understand. If not for their wickedness and their evil ways again. What are we talking? Banditry. But this is terrorism. This is terrorism. There's no difference. It's like calling a premeditated murderer. A premeditated murderer. Bringing him or her to court and minimizing it. It is third-degree manslaughter. Premeditated. murder, and you bring it to court, and now you now say it's third degree. Do you know what third degree manslaughter is? The person can get 6 months. They may even not even get jail time, and it's a premeditated. That is what they are doing in Nigeria, calling terrorism banditry. Where? How? The wickedness in that country has no second. The wickedness and the evil that they are perpetrating in Nigeria is staggering. It has no second. You can't come. It is just insane. The people that are leading Nigeria are gone to the state of insanity. That is where you can hear a governor saying that people now they should now submit their sermon. You see, that is insanity. Insanity is now creeping in. And you say you are practicing democracy. If it is not insanity that has crept in, when you listen to the interview of Morka, I'm shifting gear from this the call for Mr. P, for the call to free Mr. Nnamdi Kanu. And I'm saying it once again, this is the time for them to come out. There's no hiding place for you people. We will equalize it. We will equalize it. I, as a Nigerian, I will equalize it. That is it. If they are freeing them there in the north, criminal, a terrorist, and you lock somebody up for no apparent reason that even the Supreme Court have set him free already, then you have no any moral, you have no standing to be saying you want to be president, you want to lead Nigeria. Let it continue to rot away. Let it rot away. Leave the people there. It is not you. You have no standing. You must come out boldly on this one. You have no morality of any kind. So you can see the insanity in our system. That is why they are so bold now. It has gotten to the stage of insanity. People, don't you hear Felix Moka? This thing has gotten to the stage of literally insane. Everything he was talking about boldly there. He said, Nigeria, where do I want to start from? He said Tinubu Tinubu is very, very scientific. It is, where do you want to put it? It is ludicrous. It is laughter. It is like, I don't know whether to laugh or to cry. I don't know. He said Mr. Tinubu is scientific. He said it's very scientific. They ask him that Nigeria is so bad now. He said Nigeria has been bad. He compared it to the 16 years of the PDP. And because of that, Nigeria is where Nigeria is. Forgetting that, thinking that he's talking to stupid people. The stupidity that they are carrying all over the place, thinking that is the people that are listening to him are morons. Felix Moka has forgotten so fast that this is their 11th year. They've spent 10 years already in government. This is the 11th one. They are in their 11th year right now. So when will your party or your principal turn the country around? When you spend 32 years in government? Is that what you are telling us? You are equating it with 16 years of Buhari, 16 years of the PDP. You can see the stupidity, the insanity. They tell him about Naira. They talk to him. They ask him questions about the Forex. He said the Forex are stabilized. Again, in his head, he's thinking he was talking to morons. The Forex that will continue to subsidize on a daily basis, the Nigerian currency that will continue to put almost $2 billion to support on a monthly basis. I've said it over and over. I triple dare you. Let the central bank governor of Nigeria withdraw the 2 billion on a monthly basis of naira, of supporting the naira, if naira will not get to 3,000 naira to a dollar. And you said it's a stabilized. In his head, he went further. They asked him, they pressed him further. He said again, he said Nigeria has achieved balance of trade with many countries, but he dare not give us one country.
Many countries, many like which one?
He didn't mention. I was waiting. He didn't mention. Again, thinking he was talking to morons. Which balance of trade? Which are the countries? He went further. I don't know where to start with this man. That is why I started by saying this is insanity at its very core.
Sorry, sir. Which man is that?
Fairly small. He said Nigeria has achieved balance of trade under Tinubu. Which country? Please tell us. Bring the number. I was waiting. He fell short to give us one country. He said he has friends that are doing very well in the stock market. They have invested, they have made lawyers that they have made so much money than they have made in their practice put together. Mr. Felix Smoker, you will tell us that country where it is the stock market that is used to determine the standard of living of the people. You will tell us where it is the stock market that is used to determine the standard of living of the people of a nation. That's why I said, I don't know, because it is the reverse. This guy is a moron. This guy is ignorant. There's no any other way. He's ignorant. It's moronic. There's no any other way to put it.
But he's a doctor.
Which doctor? How? Which doctor? If he carry doctor, if he says he's a doctor, in fact, he said he went to Harvard. If he says he's a doctor, you see, that thing always, put me in a very tight corner, because that's what Nigerians knows how to do best. To throw at your face, at Nigerians' face, I had this degree, I had that degree, I do this, I do that. But everything that you do does not show that you even studied, you even came out of secondary school. And if you want to talk about that, everybody can throw certificate on the table. That's not what we're talking about here. That's not what we're talking about here. That's what they do in Nigeria. You say they are doctors, they are this, they are that, and look at, compare that, contrast it with what is happening in Nigeria. I've said it, I've always said it. I say put a bunch of high schoolers, a bunch of them, put them together, they will govern Nigeria better. They will govern, they will do extraordinarily well. A bunch of high schoolers, put them together. Because why? You know why I said that? It is not rocket science to govern a nation. It is not rocket science to make life better, to improve the lives and the standard of living of people. It is not. It is not. Forget about all these statistics that we put together, all these numbers we put together. And if they want to, if they want to go deep, they want to steal for that, they really want to go deep into it, they will start outsourcing to consultancy firm. Those are all tricks to steal money. Who doesn't know how to put meat in the mouth and the meat will disappear? Everybody knows how to put meat inside the mouth and the meat will. Everybody knows how to do that. That's what two people do. It is not rocket science to bring good standard of living to the people of a nation. It is not. It's as simple, I would say, it's as simple as ABC. Don't let anybody come out and say it is difficult. It is not damn difficult. It is simply because there's no accountability and transparency, period. You are getting billions and billions of naira every month, nothing to show for it. Okay, what do you need to come to the determination to make a decision as a leader, as a government, that I'm going to fix the existing roads, dilapidated roads in Nigeria, or embarking on Lagos Calabar project. Tell me the scientific, what is scientific about that? What is it to fix all those roads? Somebody was showing us the roads that even lead to the children's hospital. So if there were to be an emergency, the person will have paid 2, 3, 5 times over before they even get there. Look at the buses they call emergency, they use for ambulances. They are not ashamed. These people are shameless. And all they do is everything Felix Moka did these last few hours that is propaganda. If you don't know what definition of propaganda is, just listen to him and put it side by side with what is happening in Nigeria. Then that is propaganda for you. It came to lie at the face of it. That is Nigeria where we are today. And I will end with what I started with. I will call on those that are running now, pushing now, going all over the space now. They want to be the president of Nigeria. This is the time for you to come out and ask for the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. If there is any other time that you are looking for, this is the time for you. If Nigerians can release a terrorist, yes, Nigerian government, whether it is state or federal, it is government. Nigerian government can release. And when they say you have terrorists governing the country, some people will be shouting. This is the time to prove to us that it is not about you. It is not about you. That it is not only when it concerns you that you come out. It is about the rule of law and about fairness to all. I will leave it there, Mr. Elvis. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Mr. Elvis, where are you?
I'm here, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thanks for that submission. See, I use one eye, they listen to everybody. I use one eye, they watch Champions League. All right. Okay, let's hear from Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik, please talk to us, sir. Thank you very much.
Naim Abinami.
Oh, you left, you came back. Okay, talk to us. Give us a mother. Abdul Malik, please just hold on. Give us a mother. Talk to us, brother. Yes, sir.
Well, Abdul Malik, not bad. So I thought I was there before you. So I'm so sorry. Well, greetings to everybody. I greet you, Mr. Elvis. Thank you very much, Mommy Diaspora, for all that you do. Comment section, I greet everyone. Thank you for all that you do. Mr. Jonathan, let me just probably pick up from where you stopped. So when the setting is scientific, you must be scientific to be a criminal now. You think you have to be scientific to be able to get a white powder. You have to be scientific to be able to wrap white powder. You have to be scientific to be able to mark 750 kilometers, and then what they did was to inaugurate 29.9999 kilometers. Even that one too is already been destroyed. You have to be scientific to be able to grab it, snatch it, grab it, and run with it. You have to be scientific to be able to go and buy yacht and put on a sea to be able to do your kurukere business. So Tinubu is scientific now. You don't know. A criminal has to be scientific to be able to wrap his white powder, do all of his legal business. So Tinubu is scientific, in case you don't know. Well, Felix Moka, all I can say is that if you are a Nigerian across the globe, somebody is making noise. Please, if you have your mic on mute, please can you mute, please? If you're a Nigerian all over the world and you are an Harvard alumni, or you're a current student in Harvard, I implore you, call your school Harvard to retract back the certificate of Felix Morka. If you are a Harvard alumni or you are currently in that school, reach out to your school to retract the certificate of Felix Morka, because what he's doing to your school is constantly bringing your school, dragging your school in the mud. Felix Morka does not know. I'm not sure he passed through Harvard. So, in case you are also a faculty in Harvard, you're hearing us tonight, please retract or revoke the certificate of Felix Morka. It's a disgrace to your school, and it continues to disgrace your school. As a matter of fact, it continues to dance Bulaba dance with the certificates issued to him by Harvard in the mud. That is what Felix Morka is doing to you. So that will be my advice to Harvard. That will be my advice to the alumni. That will be my advice to anyone currently studying Harvard. Now, on the issue of the terrorists being released, Nigeria is not a balanced country. Nigeria is not a sane country. As a matter of fact, Nigeria is not a country. So, if you're caught in surprise for them releasing this terrorist, well, let me bust your bubble. These guys were the one that brought them in to cause insecurity under Jonathan. When they could not reach the agreement any longer, they have to do everything possible to pay the part of the agreement. So this is another one you've seen. More are still coming that will be released and integrate into the society, because why? They cannot fulfill their aspect of the contract, and so the only thing they can do is to integrate these guys into the society. The only pain is the fact that Nigerian citizens are actually crying, suffering of pain, because this guy that is being released now, how can you certify or how can you prove that he's a Nigerian citizen? How can you prove it that that guy is a Nigerian? But you have a Nigerian citizen in prison that the court has said this guy does not commit any crime against Nigeria. Release him and pay him. I think about 5 million naira. I think about 5 million or 50 million naira about. That is what the court said, that Nigerian government should pay Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, we are on the same. If you look at what
talk
they are
about
doing,
money where government say make they pay them. They not make they release them. They not release them. They talk about money where they go pay them. They will never pay. Do they have respect for judiciary? I beg. Even the judiciary where say make government pay them the money, can they be trusted? Are they not all part of the satanism? They want Nnamdi Kanu to die in prison. Simple.
Okay, you ask a question now. Can we trust the judiciary? Judiciary you're talking about, it is weakest judiciary now. So Nigeria has no judiciary. Nigeria has no judiciary. I just reference to that because I know that our part for Edo State, Michael Zakome, was the lawyer that went to speak on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the court. And the court said that this guy did not offend Nigeria. As a matter of fact, Nigerian government should pay him. And up until now, nothing has been done. How is Sunday Igboho different from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I'll tell you 2 or 3. Sunday Igboho is different from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because why? Sunday Igboho was not really fighting for the Yoruba nation. Sunday Igboho is an ass licker. Sunday Igboho is a deceitful fellow. Sunday Igboho is a failure. As a matter of fact, Sunday Igboho is a disgrace. It's a disgrace to Omoluabi. Because what do you say? This guy all of a sudden now becomes a stooge, now becomes a surrogate for Tinubu. The one that said he's fighting for Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation my foot. So how are they different? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still stand on his conscience and say, no, this thing that you are doing against these people is wickedness. I bet you, I bet you, this is my own word now. It's my own word. when this criminal druggie came into power, he would have reached out to Mazi and told us, you know what, I'm going to release you, but do this and this and this for me. Maybe allegedly Mazi rejected his offer, and that's why they are still keeping Mazi in jail. Because Sunday all of a sudden just went mute. Now, the same fight that Sunday was fighting under Buhari, how is it different under Tinubu? So under Tinubu, the criminal druggie, the fake president, okay, there's no more killing in Nigeria, right? Igbo. So under Tinubu, there's no more X-Men killing in Nigeria. That all of a sudden he just went mute. You for me, this is my word now. Not a Nigeria Watch Media word. It's my own word. Sunday Bo, you are satanic. You are evil. Because what you were fighting for under Buhari is still happening under Tinubu, and all of a sudden you just went cold. You went mute. As matter of fact, you are in Germany enjoying Amaladudu and Begiri. So in my own word, they would have reached out to Mazi allegedly and say, you know what, Mazi, stop this your agitation. We will release you. Once we release you, just go exile. Leave the country for us. And Mazi will say, no, until I see the freedom of my people, I'm not backing down. And this is my own word now. And I want to believe so. I want to believe so. That this evil guy, they have reached out to him, but only that he said no. Because Sunday Igboho is no way different from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now you can release a terrorist, but let someone, a Nigerian citizen, a true Nigerian, fighting for the cause of his own people, is kept in prison. What evil? Nigerians, Nepal can happen in our country if we chose to do it. Nepal is not far away from us. It will only take our unity, our collaboration to allow Nepal to happen in Nigeria. For me, I don't even trust any election. The way of Nepal is the way. And these are my words. They are not Nigeria Watch Media's word. The way of Nepal is what is good for Nigeria. Because these criminals won't go anywhere anytime soon. We have to demand. What they understand is force. Look at what happened during NSAS. Where was the criminal druggie during NSAS? He checked out. They all checked out. That means the office of the citizen is greater than any other office in the land. Nigerians, we can do this if we chose to do it. These guys won't back down anytime soon. And Mr. Elvis, once again, thank you for your word earlier about Olumide Akpata. Because when I saw that thing, I was like, can this be true? But thank you again for a wonderful job. You searched and you didn't see anything.
Thank you, my brother.
Until if he now comes out and say, okay, this is where I want to choose to go. But Olumide Akpata, in case this rumor is true, well, I don't know, but I bet you, please just deny it. If you join APC, then the red oil of the Nigerian
no, John, reserve that, reserve it, not now.
Okay, I'll just hold it. So we'll just keep moving. But the news that I heard earlier is that he has denied it, that he's not part of them, and I thank him for that.
Yes.
That means you are still standing tall. You are still with the people. Thank you very much. Thank you, Akpata, for standing tall and for with the people. Until you now choose to do otherwise, they will come after you.
For now, it is with the people.
Yes, sir. We are with you, and you are also with
you
us.
Guys are
so
not, you
I
guys
appreciate
are,
you.
you guys, Mr. Green was a mandate. You are not sure of your
yes,
guy.
Sir.
You are not sure of your guy.
Well,
your guy can move anytime.
Listen.
And I may say move first. Now, maybe for still know, maybe for know the way we'll react now. No worry.
Your guy can move anytime.
Based on the news I heard from Mr. Elvis through Nigeria Watch Media today, Olumide Akpata remains with the people.
Yes.
Nigeria Watch Media is the only media that gives us the true news. Thank you very much, Mr. Elvis, for giving us a clear and a good news. We are still with you and we stand with Olumide Akpata too until he chose to do otherwise. But as of today,
Exactly.
Olumide
Until
Akpata
exactly.
has not
That's
gone
it.
anywhere. He's still here. So we
For
stand here and
now,
we are here. Thank you very much.
until
I hit my mic.
thank you.
Now the fear, Mr. Elvis, do they fear?
I fear waiting.
Do they
I don't
fear
see
Solomon
anything.
We are
Akpata
not
fit-
afraid of anything.
I tell you,
do they
Mr.
fear Solomon
Jonathan.
Akpata fit jump?
Mr. Jonathan,
Yes.
if maybe not true, say Olumide Akpata really moved to APC, you foresee me in action today. So not your worry, but fear of waiting. Not to they shake me, oh, but people shouldn't be passing rumor that you are not certain about now.
Yeah.
People just carry headline just for the name of clicking and all that is wrong. You know, you don't do that. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, my brother. Give us a mandate. Let's hear from Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik, thank you very much for your patience. Good evening to you, sir. Talk to us.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Nigeria Watch. Good evening, everybody in the panel. Good evening, Nigerian. This bandit, peace accord. I have not seen where government of a country they are negotiating with the terrorists, murderers. It looks somehow. I've never seen in my life before. I never hear before any country. People that they are murdering people in the country, you are negotiating with them. Peace accord. What is peace accord? What do you mean by peace accord? That one is just clarified that they are the sponsor. They are the people that sponsor Boko Haram bandits. It is clear. But I see no reason. I don't know why nobody hold them accountable. That is the problem. They don't hold the government accountable. How can you negotiate with people that murder people every day? Every day or every two days, you must hear the kisu amount of so place. It's very, very sad. Which is somebody who is not even comparable what Nnamdi did and what those people did. It's in the same. And first of all, Nnamdi Kanu arrest was adopted, was kidnapped. That was not arrest. It was kidnapped, just like kidnap in an illegal way to bring it to Nigeria. We have a long way to go in that country. Yeah, we have very long way. Most of the things that the people are not united. That is the major problem. Because you call me how many are there? It's very few people. And perhaps this very particular district, this senator that came from where Nnamdi Kanu came from, I never hear they talk about how Nnamdi Kanu will be released. The House of Rep, the Senate, the governor, all those people, the prominent men in the East. You see, they are the problem too because they are in position. They are in the government. They need to speak about how this man will be released. He's not the only one that was fighting for agitation, right? Okay, even the court have proved that this man is not guilty. Okay, why is he still there? How? Why? Somebody that is not guilty. Okay, why is he dead? Why? I don't. The lawyers say, what are they doing? As a lawyer, even the judge give the wrong judgment, you will oppose the judge. Yeah, because it's not written anywhere in the book, in the constitution, right? Okay, why do you give such judgment? Even the lawyer, I don't understand. For me, I don't know what they are doing. They say your client is not guilty. Okay, why is he still there? Why can't you take action? He must be released, or else you do another thing. Because it's not written in the constitution when somebody is not guilty, the court has said it. But you are still keeping the mind in custody. How? anything can happen in the country just because of lawless country. What type of country is that? After you are telling me somebody is demarketing you, how? Look at you are negotiating with terrorists, bandits, murderers, convicts, people that are killing people every day. Even when the peace accord have collapsed, they even went even to their biggest city to go and keep 40 people in the mosques too.
It's okay now.
You see, they even went to go and kill 40 people again in the mosques after the peace accord have collapsed. Such people you are negotiating with them. Arrest this what is the name? That commander you show, IPOB commander, Yahoo something like that. Okay, why can't they trace those terrorists like that and arrest them and deal with them too? They don't. Oh man, the country just somehow. Because every day when I see something injustice, it looks somehow because country cannot grow like that. It can never grow that way. That is the problem we are facing in that country today. Some part of the country justice, some part justice. Okay, how can the country grow? There is no one law. Now the can is not only the one that was agitating. Okay, why is it only still there? Only still there till today. You are telling me somebody is demarketing Nigerian, which you are demarketing yourself every day by day, every second. We have a long way to go. Unless this kind of people, all those criminal bandit criminal organization, PDP, APC, we clear them away from that country. We will not see changes. There is nothing will be changed. Yes, there is nothing will change. Because the thing have been in their DNA. Their mind is at their back. They have sold their soul to the devil. That's why they are doing what they do what they are doing. Because somebody who have romancy party cannot try something. If you know there is God, you can't try such. No, you can't. You will say something. See, Nigeria many people are bad, right? But the government, they are the problem. Even though you are bad in the country, there is a law government will put. When you do something like that, the law, you will face the law. Yes. Just take an example where you reside. If you do something stupid, where are you going to? Even police will not touch you. Nobody will touch you. It's the judge that you will meet there will tell you what to do. Either you go to prison or he will free you. Because we don't have law in Nigeria. That's why they keep on doing what they are doing. Even those people bad everywhere we know, but that law that the government will put, we will implement and enforce. It will make them limit that bad. Yeah, they will limit it because they know that when they do this, they will take law into their hand. Yeah, government, they are the major problem of the country. Yes, they are the one that feeds the country. Government is the people, is the burden of the people. Yes, they are the problem of the country mostly. Not people. People are seeing the problem, but when government pull law, if you against that law, you will go for it. That is it. Thank you very much, Mr. Nigeria Watch.
All right. Thank you, Abdul Malik. God bless you, sir. Thank you for that submission. The last person is our Dream Nation, Mr. Alabo. Please talk to us. Good evening to you. Your 8 minutes starts now.
Good evening, sir. God bless you for what you do. Good evening to the panelists. Good evening, Nigerians. Good evening, our wonderful mother. And good evening to everyone on the comment section. Please help us like and share so that the message can reach every corner of Nigeria. Yeah, a new Nigeria is coming and a new Nigeria is possible. I have confidence. I strongly believe that everything that has a beginning has an end. America struggled with corruption, and the time comes. They said they are tired. We need a nation. They come together and agree. This is how we want to run our country. Equality, nothing like North, South. So an American citizen is American citizen. Nothing like I'm from River State. I'm from Sokoto. You are a citizen of America. You are a citizen of America. In the United Kingdom, countries that came together, you can see Scotland is there. You can see Wales. All of them, they come together, England, and say, let's form a United Kingdom. So what you have is a British passport. I am a British, not I am from Sokoto or Zamfara State. When we continue living along this ethnic line, division of this is where I'm from, your name has to start from Olumide before they can attend to you because the president is from one tribe. If the president is from the north, you have to answer Ahmed or Mohammed before they can attend to you and give you a job to do. So you see every parastatus of government, every area. If you go to ministry today, what you will be hearing is Adebola, Ajibode, Olumide, this dominate. During Buhari, it was Tofa, Bala, Ahmed, this that you will see that is all over the place. So how long are we going to continue like this? If we continue like this, our country will continue to go opposite. When the world are moving forward, we will continue to go backward. That is why if you search your engine and said which one will be the greatest country on earth today, let me not say today, in 2056, they will tell you Nigeria, because other people will go beyond this planet. Who will be the one remaining? Check across the world. A lot of countries have moved forward. Nigeria is still struggling. I'm just using an example, countries that has a similar population like us, even with the kind of war going on in Afghanistan, the kind of war going on in Pakistan and all those places, you can't compare them to Nigeria. We are still struggling. Those people do not have the resources we have. But because of this division, that is why a governor who does not have any work to do will say the problem of the country today is how anybody who wants to preach in the church has to bring a sermon for them to scrutinize before he can go to preach. That is why somebody will wake up and say, okay, I want to preach the gospel. They will hold that person and they will buy that person. Because the country is divided, Nigeria today is operating a two constitution. One is a Sharia law. Another one is another constitution inside Nigeria. And the constitution of Nigeria has told us that there is no any other law that is greater than the one in the constitution. Yet, somebody will say something in the north. They will pick that person and put in jail and buy that person on a different law that is not greater than the law of Nigeria. This division will continue to destroy our country until we have a united Nigeria where we will have one law. Nigeria is not recognized. It's not run under any Sharia law. It's not run under any Christian law, neither any Islamic law. Because Nigeria is not a country that you say belongs to one religion that you will compare it to Saudi Arabia is happening. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state. Nigeria is not an Islamic state. So when we begin to measure things in this manner in our country, we will continue to be divided until we come on a round table, overhaul this country, and agree. Those who said, no, we don't want to be part, you let them go. Those who say, okay, we want to be part because we need the numbers for us to run our business, for our economy to run, because you need numbers. China is running on numbers. India today is running on numbers in billions. United States of America is the number. So you need that capital, human capital development. You need that man so that when the labor will come, anything that will come into your market, you will have laborers, people that will do those things. That is why America abandoned their country. They go to China to open factory because they want to get those laborers that can do the thing cheap for them. So we need the numbers. The population is very important. But for those who say, no, we don't want to do, you don't force them to stay. That is why we see today people who are hardened criminals, who are people who are opposing everything that is happening in the Nigeria as a country. They said no, that education is haram. They said no, what you people are doing is a different thing to us. So therefore they will come and pick people, lock them in anywhere they want to lock. They collect money from them and they buy people. These people today, you will tell us you are rehabilitating them to an extent. A cleric, Islamic cleric will come out and be telling the Nigerian army to mind how they speak to those people. What kind of country? Do we have a government? There was a video circulating even during Buhari this time around. The man was saying, the Boko Haram sponsor, they released the list of them. They are in the cabinet of Buhari. They are in the cabinet of Tinubu. They gave them the list from Dubai. They refused to release it because it's a business. But there is a man who said, no, the marginalization on how you people are treating my region, you don't have time for my people, you treat us as a different people. Allow us to go. That was what he was calling for. He said he just wants them to be independent on their own. So he declared a Biafra Republic and said, okay, this is the course we want to run. You hold that person, then the court of competent jurisdiction has said, this person is not guilty. There is nothing. And he discharged the person. Yet you tie him down. Then people who are buying people every day in Nigeria, you give them chieftaincy title, settle them, you say you are rehabilitating, negotiating with them, you set them free. Then in Nnamdi Kanu, you turn him into a political issue that you want to use and settle your political issue with the Southeast. This is not fair. The people today, children who are growing up, you people destroy history in Nigeria because you don't want children to come and read what is happening, what has happened, how you treated your forefathers, your ancestors. You destroy history in Nigeria. It cannot die. They will still check in internet. They will see what happened. Go to Google and ask what happened during Biafra War and this. Ask, since Nigeria gained their independence since 1960, what happened from set to set. Internet will bring it out for you. So no matter how you want to hide it, people are seeing how you are treating a set of region. You don't give them a fair share of what is happening. That is why they want to separate from the country. But however, if court has said this person is free, why are you still holding him down? Then you are freeing people who are called themselves bandits. They give themselves name. You tag them as bandits. You're not calling them terrorists. Even the terrorists who are Boko Haram, you call them repented Boko Haram. Then the people who say they are IPOB, you now tag them as a terrorist. You have never one day mentioned that these people you are calling
1 minute,
terrorists,
sir. 1 minute left. Thank you.
these people you are calling terrorists, okay, let us rehabilitate them. Let us have a conversation. How do we do? You are not doing those ones. But the hardened criminals are the people you release. You say you have employed them into the military. You need intelligence. The people will come and gather information and collect our military equipment and go back into the forest. Who are we fooling? We are wasting the Niger Delta oil money in all these things that is happening in the north. That is why if we can go, manage your own resources, go, whatever thing you are facing, have your military in your region. So that if you want to buy yourself and finish, you people will sit on the table and say, let us stop this nonsense business we are doing. We cannot continue like this in our country. We must overhaul this thing that is happening and build a new nation. Thank you, Mr. Harris.
All right, Mr. Alabo, thank you very much, sir, for that. Mr. Alabo, according to your submission, if you check what they affect us for this country, Nigeria, you can see that all they are doing is a premeditated satanic act. Yes, you cannot be giving pardon to terrorists. Then Nnamdi Kanu is still in prison. Can somebody actually explain to me? Let's assume, say, we get one satanic body or person or group listening to us right now. Can you explain to us why Nnamdi Kanu will still be in prison and a dangerous terrorist being given pardon? I really want somebody to explain it to me.
So,
Mr. Elvis, Mr. Elvis, you know what they will say. You know what they will say. Like today now, either today or yesterday, when Sheung was interviewing Felix Moka,
yeah,
that's one of the questions that is supposed
to ask
Felix Moka. But
yes,
in his head, you know, I'm preempting Sheung, is thinking that the case is in court, right? That the response Felix Moka will give him is that, oh, the case is, is in court and he will really not want to discuss about it. You see, they are shortcuts. But remember, again, I cite the example of this Kwamwan and the other lady. You know, they quickly went to court.
Yes.
Within 12 hours or so.
Within 3 hours, she was sentenced.
They sent that girl to Kirikiri. They didn't say the case was in court. They did not say that time.
No.
They just, everything just went quiet. They released that lady and that was it. So if they want to do it, that excuse that the case is in court is prejudice and they didn't want to talk about it, it's rubbish. It's nonsense. That still does not stop them from asking the question and put it in the front burner every day.
Very sad. Very, very, very sad. You know, you way they listen to me when they say, "It not concern me. It not concern me." Remember, injustice happening to one person is an injustice to everyone. Have it in mind. I just pray, may Nnamdi Kanu not die for prison. But with the way things they go now, that man is terribly sick. And only God know, God forbid, the breaking news when somebody go here one day, and you now see everybody that not be active in anywhere, all their headline will full of breaking news. But I rebuke it. The breaking news that will come out of Nnamdi Kanu will be his release, not his death. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you very much, everyone. Let's have our final submission so that we can round up. Amaesho, are you still there with us? Your 2 minutes is pending. If you are not there, I'm moving on straight away. Mr. Jonathan, please, your 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, still on the insecurity and this the release of terrorists into the back into the society. You will notice that even this last election in was it in Zamfara, this off-cycle election. If you see the way they deploy military, both military, police, and everything. In fact, other northern states, sent their own police to support or to assist or to buffer up security in Zamfara State. I don't understand why they will not do that when it comes to the main insecurity itself. But when it comes to election, everything about them just doesn't speak right. It doesn't show people that cares, people that really wants to move the country forward. There is nothing, absolutely nothing. Everything is just in the negative trajectory. Where do you want to start from? As much as you want to say or talk something good about Nigeria, unfortunately, there is just none. If there is any, maybe somebody can throw out the headlines for us and let's talk about it, because for me, I will acknowledge it. Even if it comes from the crooked Tinubu
one of the
government.
good news is that Tinubu is a scientist now.
That one is not a good news. That one a propaganda.
Let him finish his submission. I beg. I'm coming to you shortly. Remain 30 seconds.
That one, you know, that one a propaganda. The other one, everywhere you look around in Nigeria is all propaganda. There is no letting go at all. No letting go. You even see, even the Mr. Peter Obi visiting the Olubadan of Ibadan, Ladoja, Oba Ladoja there now, they turn it to propaganda. They will not see anything good or anything positive. So even if you want to see something good to talk about, they will turn it to propaganda. They will turn it to politics. So there is just everything. There's nothing that is going on a positive trajectory. As much as you try. Nigeria. Thank you, Mr. Ellis. I'll leave it there for today.
Thank you, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let me go with give us our mandate. Are you there? Your 2 minutes.
Well, thank you very much. When we say good news, where will you find any good news? When a man can lie on a broad daylight, national TV, that Nigeria has the balance of trade. And that's why I always ask that Shehu, is Shehu truly a Nigerian, or he lives in a different country? Because I just asked Felix Moka, list 5 countries that has balanced trade with Nigeria in the past 1 year. That's a simple question you'd have asked him. You won't just let him just. I wonder what that guy, why he does that. Because there is just all gibberish, all lies everywhere. What can you say? And now the issue of releasing this guy into the society is because they had a bargain before. It may even be part of their bargain that, when you help us, we get power back from Jonathan, we are going to do this and this and this and this. And that's a war we live see. That we bargain with bandits. Here we live. They buy them. You see what is happening between Israel and Hamas. They buy them. For Nigeria, you are bargaining with the terrorists as against your own people. These guys are evil. These guys are evil. There is not too what to come. Man, I don't know. And you see a man fighting for a just cause being held in prison. Changing my position about Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho was not fighting for Yoruba nation. He was only fighting for himself. Sunday Igboho was fighting for his own pockets. Sunday Igboho is evil. It's evil. Now, where are you? You have checked out. To keep quiet. Remain dumb forever. For me, Mazina and the country should be let go. He should be let go. Release him and let him go. Because now you are for your evil act. But this guy is fighting for his own people. Release Mazina and the country. Let him go. Let him just go free. He has no offense against Nigerians.
Thank you.
He does not commit any offense against the Nigerian government. But for the people like Sunday Igboho, deceptive man.
Thank you.
You know, people people even quiet
Can you hear me?
in his own house. In his own house. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gizos Amade. God bless you, sir. Okay, let's move on. Abdul Malik, please talk to us. 2 minutes.
Yeah, good evening once again, Mr. Evans. As I said before, you cannot negotiate with a bandit or make peace accord with a terrorist. When you do that, you are dangerously, you are putting your cities in danger. Yeah, you are putting them at risk. Because when you do that, it's like your citizen, no one is safe. You are the sponsor of the Boko Haram. That's why you are negotiating with them. Instead of for you to make sure they bring them to justice, but you are doing what you're not supposed to do. This government is like the way they are doing. We know they are propagandists type of government and lies. But my problem is opposition. They don't tackle them the way they're supposed to do. Because whatever they do, they don't hold them accountable. That's why they keep on doing what they are doing. How can 200 people buy, but no government talk about this? No government official. That one is even clear. Nobody will tell you if you have sense. You will know that they are the sponsor of terrorists. Thank you very much, Mr. Evans.
All right, Abdul Malik, thank you, sir. God bless you. Of course, they are, because people that are giving pardon to terrorists and terrorists have been tormenting this country now for the past 3 decades or 2 decades, if I'm not mistaken. They have not done anything about it.
Hello, Mr.
Wow.
Evans.
Yeah.
I have something to say. You
Yes,
know, now Nigeria people, now most people, they know that this government are the sponsor of the terror, right? Okay, what did they do now? What is the action? Because people are sick by every day.
Nothing. You know, she say where Canada accused them, they don't respond to her now because they don't really have, although one or two of them responded, but they don't have better things to say. So it's crazy.
That one is anyway. It's a response. They were just trying to give a word because they know that they are a terrorist organization.
Fortunately, Mr. Labo, talk to us.
I don't know if you really listen carefully to Professor Udenta. If you know what President Tinubu is doing.
Of course, now I projected this afternoon. Now, in fact, I brought the video back this evening, but the reason why I did not play it because of the congestion. You know, I'm supposed to replay it again. Udenta. He revealed everything. He talked.
What is the strategy, Tinubu? That is what he knows. He started it on time. Like this man who, this spokesman to Kwankwaso who said, Tinubu said that is why he started the politicking earlier. He wants to know who people who are there. So those are the plans that he's doing, and the opposition are falling for him. So he started this thing, he created so that people can come earlier and start protests, so that they can deal with people to create that fear that if they want you, anything that will make you to end the strategy of President Tinubu. That was what he was doing. So he did that earlier. So even if he put fuel at 2 times, so he did all these things, went for labor. Labor no get it again. All of them, he don't hang them with money issue. As the labor union, they do anything. Forget about this, all this one they do. They cannot come to protest to hold the government on stance and say this thing you are doing is not right. The system, the man has caged everybody. So all these things happening, Nigerians, it could take. That is why I'm saying maybe we should pray. You know, sometimes when God wants to do something, He makes them deaf and blind. So we'll be doing the worst. Maybe that's the only way Nigeria can wake up. Because as it is, our system has made us, they will push us to the wall, we'll find the wall and open the wall and hide. That is how these people, how they have designed and create our mentality and put people. Go to the street and ask the common people on the street and ask them, what do you think? Can you come and out and do this? They say, oh, we want to make army. We want to make these people police. But that same person go use hunger, go sleep. Also, they kill them. Different diseases, they kill them because what? Malaria they can treat with money if they have good job they are doing. If the system is working, you can treat that malaria. And the same people who do not want to come and stand on the road to protest, they are dying of ulcer. They are dying of different diseases that sickness that it's a common thing that will not even take anybody, even if you have. Because the people do not provide hospital for you. Yet we are sitting, walking into defense. I am using this opportunity to tell Nigerians, things you are avoiding are the same things that are killing you today.
All right.
You know, won't buy. You don't want to stand on the road to challenge your government. House kidnappers will come and pick you. You can lie down on your bed. The natural thing will come and take you. So anybody can die. So we must wake up and unite and take back our country from this criminal element. Forget about the intimidation, whatever thing we are seeing, push us away. But don't be scared. They are scared of us. Mr. Elvis, these people, they are scared of Nigerians.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Elvis.
Thank
My
you.
brother message since morning. Mr. Elvis, since morning I left a message for you. I know you say you did very busy. I beg, it is very important. I beg.
Oh, okay. On my WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, it is very important. But I know say you did busy. I know.
I'll check it.
No worries, sir. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, sir. Everyone that came in here today, I want to appreciate you all. Thank you, Mama Aisho. Thank you, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you, Abdul Malik. Thank you, Give Us a Mandate. Thank you, Mr. Alabo. God bless you all for your consistency as a collective effort. You know, so I want to appreciate every one of you for always putting your voices out there. A lot of people are very, very proud of you all. We should remember that on this platform, everybody have their fans. That's one beautiful thing about social media. There are people that are here today that love to hear from Mr. Jonathan, that love to hear from Mama Esho, that love to hear from Give Us Amade, that love to hear from Abdul Malik, Mr. Oduwa, or Mr. Alabo. Everybody have their fans here because that's it. They'll say, that guy, I want to hear him. That's how it works. You know, continue to do your part. We have only one life to live. Just do your part. Live a transparent lifestyle. Live a good lifestyle. Live a good, create a good legacy for yourself. That's what we are doing. Not that we don't have better things to do, but doing this thing is very, very, very hectic. But we still manage to encourage ourselves to be here every single day. It's not easy. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that better Nigeria will have it someday. I believe the step towards that better Nigeria, if they allow Peter Obi to rule, to be the next president of this country, if you are doubting somebody, for example, just give the person a try and come back to mock us, to come and laugh at us that supported this particular man. Say, when I say it will be, and I promise I will still join you. I'm not a biased person. I'm not a corny person. I supported Obaseki with my platform. I was the first person that started checkmating Obaseki. Till he left office, I was checkmating him. If Peter Obi win today by God's grace, they allow him rule. The first week I got the checkmate Peter Obi. I first talk in 2023. Some of you will remember. That's the only way. I'm not a biased person. Maybe I make they collect money from their hand because I don't want people to guide me, to confuse me, to tell me how to speak. No, I just want to say it how it is. If I make mistake, I apologize. If I don't make mistake, we just take it like that. Or you think I'm not talking, when you continue from where I stop. Nigeria is not working. I believe this is why they tell us on the year generator. It's crazy. Like I said, it's not because some of us, we love our country dearly. We have invested in our country. Normally, we cannot blame people that said they will never visit Nigeria again. Don't blame them. Who want they say we are generator, they make noise so? I appreciate all my people. I'd like to quickly acknowledge those of you that super chatted me, sending government there, Abdul and Malapeg Modi. God bless you all my people. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you very much, Mother for all my diaspora. Thank you very much, Mommy, for all that you do. I appreciate you always. And I love you so much. Thank you, my brother Abo Aze. God bless you. Thank you for all that you do. I'm very, very grateful. And I beg Monday, thank you very much. But once again, Debzi, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone right there that have commented today. I think we've come to the end of this broadcast. Madam Amin Bright, Love Madoka, and many, many, many more. Allow us to end the show right now. Look out for our pre-recorded videos during the day. And also like our pre-recorded videos and leave your comments. Let's learn from you. You know, share our videos, you know, subscribe to our channel, join our live broadcast like this, and let's interact. Now, God bless you, my people. Have a good night. Bye for now.
In this world we're living in, this world, all of us today is social. Everybody today is social. So our various stations, as we say emotion, then we do to ourselves, yo. Then we do to our neighbor. Before we reach our station, before we reach our station, everyone get the brother. Everyone get there. Everyone get there. When I go to work, when I can get my daughter. Everyone when I go to work, everyone get there. Everyone get there. When I go to work, over the work. Uwanye biarije, anye chapa potaro eno. Madudile pa potaro liye. Anye chapa potaro liye. Kanye apa potori, anye chapa chonya. Emana konya di wanegi, emene kama. Emana de mute wanegi, emene kama. Uwanye biarije, anye chapa potaro liyo. Madudile pa potaro liyo. Anye chapa potaro liye. Kanye apa potori, anye chapa chonya. Ya, umra konya di wane, emele kala. Umra konya di wane, emele kala. De puto suara do bodo. put that thing in no true. I think no true. When you very I need to put out of you. When you need to put out of you. Kanya paputuri. Mragonya ni wani. Gebele kalaya. Emragonya ni wani. Gebele kalaya. Emele kalaya. Emragonya ni wani. Emele kalaya. Emele kalaya. Emele kalaya. Emele buta digiloti. Emele kalaya. 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 This is what we are living in this world, all of us today in motion. Everybody there in motion. Moving to our various stations. As we there in motion, make we do good to ourselves, yo. Make we do good to our neighbor. Before we reach our station, every walk gets paid. Every walk gets paid. We're gonna go to work. Every walk gets paid. We're gonna go to work. I make a day fear my God. I make a day fear my maker. Oh, come on, song. Organize. My God, I make a fear my maker.